Step is I have to peel the avocado. My god, this is my first time, so I have no as such experience that how to prepare it. I have to remove the seed. Now I'm going to mash it.
I think the avocado is not yet ripe.
Yeah.
You need to use ripe avocados. Anyways, this is our first experience with avocados. We're not very haven't tried it before. But anyways,
We have seen that they used to mash like this way, so
yeah,
I'm also doing the same.
avocado sandwich is already a hit. People are,
Yeah.
we are making it for the first time. It's not very common on a Bengali household, but then everything has a first time, right?
But no problem, we
Yeah.
will make it. It takes some time, but
Avocado's texture has to be like a butter, like
yeah,
butter's
creamy
sliding
texture.
through bread and all, creamy texture and all. I think this one is a little bit ripe, not ripe. It could have used some more
I think
time.
next time it will make more perfect.
Yes.
So no issues.
We don't have olive oil, right?
No, we don't have olive oil.
Okay.
Here I will use refined oil. So those who have olive oil, they can use olive oil also. They can use cheese also. But right now I don't have this olive oil and cheese and all. So I think I could make it. So now I will add
Tomatoes.
chopped tomatoes. Then I'll add chopped onions. Then I'll add some green chilies. You can add chilies as per your taste, means how much hotness you can bear. Then I will add lemon juice. So that it makes some tangy flavor.
These are the breads. Did you add some black pepper?
Yeah. Now I will add black pepper.
Salt is required.
Yeah, salt is also required. Without salt, will not make. Then I'll add salt as per your taste.
Don't add too much. Going to ruin. Yeah. Okay.
Then I'll mix.
Did you add refined, by the way?
No.
Okay.
Now I will not add refined.
Refined is the last step?
Yeah.
Okay.
When I will roast it, at that time I will add refined. So these are some basic masalas like black pepper, salt. That's it. No more spices. Already